So the next big question we get all the time is, can I use my current NAFTA certificate of origin for USMCA? So I was on a call with Customs maybe 2 weeks ago. I'm sure there's probably a few of you that were on the same call. Customs emphatically said no. There is that they would not accept your NAFTA certificate of origin. Now, everyone's talking about this, and we'll kind of keep going, but everyone's really talking about this idea of now there's no form, what do we do? And so there is not a form. There are data elements that are required. If you look at what's currently on your NAFTA form compared to what's currently on what will be on your USMCA form, the data points are almost identical. A lot of the wording is almost identical for a few spots, especially the certification section at the bottom and what you as an individual are certifying that's on that form. So there's a lot of similarities. Really, the big difference between the two is with NAFTA, CBP had an official certificate of origin form. With USMCA, we have a specific set of data that's required to be presented. How exactly that's presented in what form, that is up to you, the importer, the exporter, whatever. But that's really the big piece of this. So you are going to need an updated form.